This is the HG20 Chief 2 headphone. The feature says 50mm driver, 2-meter cable, soft 3.5mm plus USB plug, RGB light, mid-size. Technical specification says driver unit 50mm, impedance 21 ohm, frequency response 22 to 20 kHz, speaker sensitivity 121 plus minus 3 decibel, microphone sensitivity minus 38 plus minus 2 decibel, directivity omnidirectional, cord length 2 meter, voltage 5 volt, output power 20 milliwatt, plug type USB plus 3.5mm. Let's unbox this one quickly. Let's check here. Don't matter if it is part, because I wanna see it very so bad. Another warranty card, user manual. Oh, fell down. Here comes the main thing. Which side up? I don't know. I'm excited. Oh yeah, look at this. It's good. It matches, bro. Matches. The cord quality is good. It uses two things. I will use the USB or I will use this one. This one is the old HP one. I guess goodbye. My dear, you have been a good boy. You have been giving a good service these 3 years. Sad to see you go. Happy to see you come. Let's just connect it. All done. What about the USB port? USB 4 RGB, right? Yeah. Look at that. Huh? Thanks for watching.